I'm Monica Rana. This is Himanshu 365 and you're watching Hillquest News channel. Let's start with the headlines. Ram Subhag is new Himachal Pradesh Chief Secretary. India logs 44,643 new COVID cases, 464 more deaths. Bronze lost but hurts ball. Indian women's hockey team signs off fourth at Olympics after narrow loss. Opposition walkout over decision to change Himachal Pradesh Chief Secretary. Himachal government plans to hike fine on abandoning cattle. Chief Minister Jairam Thakur to unfurl flag on Independence Day in Monday. Bureau officials' body found who was washed away in Tosing Nala in Lahore Spiti. Arms ammunition recovered from Samba in Jammu and Kashmir, Pakistan. Drone suspected. Leaders of 14 opposition parties to take part in Kisan Sansad at Delhi's Jantar Mantar. RBI keeps policy rate unchanged for 7th time in a row. Repo rate retained at 4%. Now news in detail. Ram Subhag is new Himachal Pradesh Chief Secretary. In a surprise move, the state government yesterday appointed Ram Subhag Singh additional Chief Secretary, Industry and Transport as Chief Secretary, replacing Anil Khachi, who was appointed State Election Commissioner (SEC). Anil Khachi resigned from the IAS before being appointed the SEC. Khachi, a 1986 batch IAS officer, still had 2 years before retirement. He was appointed to the top post on January 1, 2019. The post of the SEC had been lying vacant since P. Mitra's term ended on May 31 this year. Ram Subhag of the 1987 IAS batch is the senior most officer after Anil Khachi. He has a vast administrative experience of 34 years both in the state and at the center. India logs 44,643 new COVID cases, 464 more deaths. India recorded 44,643 new coronavirus infections, taking the total tally of COVID-19 cases to 3,18,56,757, while the active cases registered an increase for the third consecutive day, according to the Union Health Ministry data updated on Friday. The death toll climbed to 4,26,754 with 464 fresh fatalities. The active cases comprise 1.30% of the total infections, while the national COVID-19 recovery rate was recorded at 97.36%, the data showed. Bronze lost but hurts won. Indian women's hockey team signs off fourth at Olympics after narrow loss. The history-making Indian women's hockey team's dream of securing its maiden Olympic medal remained unfulfilled as it lost 3-4 to Great Britain in a hard-fought bronze playoff, but the stout-hearted side managed to record its best-ever finish at the games on Friday. The team had already created history and surpassed all expectations by entering the semi-finals of the games for the first time. But the maiden Olympic medal remained out of bounds as world number 4 Great Britain, who were gold winners in the 2016 Rio Games, came out on the top of the pulsating encounter. Opposition walkout over decision to change Himachal Pradesh Chief Secretary. The Congress yesterday staged a walkout in the Vidhan Sabha over the decision to appoint a new Chief Secretary in place of Anil Khachi, even as Chief Minister Jairam Thakur accused opposition of adopting a very parochial view on the issue. The Congress Legislative Party CLP leader Mukesh Agnihotri raised the issue through a point of order after question hour in the Assembly. There are reports that the Chief Secretary is being changed. We would like to know the compelling circumstances which are forcing you to do so when the Assembly is in the session, said Mukesh Agnihotri. There were heated exchanges between the Treasury and opposition benches over the issue. Congress legislator resorted to sloganeering and accused the government of meting out injustice to a Himachali officer. The Chief Minister retaliated to opposition attack by stating that it is an administrative issue which cannot be discussed in the House. Himachal government plans to hike fine on abandoning cattle. The government is planning to raise the fine of ₹500 to ₹5,000 for abandoning registered cattle after they get old or unwell by the Tehsildar and the SDM. Rural Development Minister Virendra Kanwar said that in reply to a query raised by Ramesh Dhawal and Pawan Kajal during the question hour in the Vidhan Sabha yesterday. He said 867 stray cattle had been given shelter in 3 cow sanctuaries at Kotla Barog in Sirmaur, Thana Kala in Una and Handa Kundi in Solan. We plan to float expression to interest to set up a smart Goshala on a commercial basis to tackle the problem of stray cattle and make it a profitable venture, he said. Chief Minister Jairam Thakur to unfurl flag on Independence Day in Mandi. Chief Minister Jairam Thakur will preside over the state-level Independence Day function at Seri Manch in Mandi district on August 15. Jal Shakti Minister Mahendra Singh will also accompany him. BRO officials' body found who was washed away in Tozing Nala and Lahul Spiti. The body of Rahul Kumar, junior engineer of the BRO, who was washed away in the July 27 flash flood in the Tozing Nala in Lahul Spiti, was recovered yesterday. He belonged to Bihar. Arms ammunition recovered from Samba in Jammu and Kashmir, Pakistan drone suspected. Security forces on Friday morning recovered a consignment of arms and ammunition probably dropped by a Pakistani drone from a seasonal rivalent in the border district of Samba in Jammu and Kashmir. Samba District Police Chief SSP Rajesh Sharma said Army's JNKLI along with police launched a search operation in Babar Nala in the Rajpura area this morning from where 2 pistols, 5 magazines, 122 rounds of ammunition and a silencer were recovered. He added, at this stage, we cannot say if the consignment was dropped by a drone. That will be known only after a thorough investigation. They still do not know when the package was dropped. However, official sources said the consignment was packed properly in polythene and going by the previous incidents of armed drop by Pakistan in border areas of Jammu. Leaders of 14 opposition parties to take part in Kisan Sansad at Delhi's Jantar Mantar. Leaders of 14 opposition parties will take part in the Kisan Sansad underway at Jantar Mantar to express solidarity with the agitators who have been seeking repeal of 3 farm laws. Top opposition leaders met at the chamber of Rajya Sabha leader of opposition Mallikarjun Kharge and decided to set up the offensive on the issue of farmers. Congress, DMK, TMC, NCP, SS, RJD, SP, CPIM, AAP, CPI, IUML, RSP, NC and LJD leaders attended the meeting. RBI keeps policy rate unchanged for 7th time in a row, repo rate retained at 4%. The Reserve Bank of India RBI on Friday decided to keep benchmark interest rate unchanged at 4% but maintain an accommodative stance as the economy is yet to recover from the impact of a second COVID wave. This is the 7th time in a row that the Monetary Policy Committee MPC headed by RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das has maintained status quo. The RBI had last revised its policy rate on May 22, 2020 in an off-policy cycle to perk up demand by cutting interest rate to a historic low. So this is all for this time. Stay connected and keep watching Hillquest News channel. Thank you.